Hello, my name is Rick, and I'm a volunteer at the Goulburn Museum. And I'd like to welcome you to the Goulburn Museum 12 Days of Christmas, which this year is online. My volunteer work at the museum is with letters or calligraphy, because I am a calligrapher. And I help with many things in the summer events and the winter events, but unfortunately this year that can't be done. The museum does have letters for Santa, and that's one thing I'll be talking to you about today. On the website, available for download, is 4 letters to Santa that are blank for you to fill in, and I'll be giving you some ideas on that in a little while. They are in French and English, and they can be downloaded and filled in. And if you make a mistake, download another one and fill that one in instead. One thing I will be helping you with, I'll be giving you some hints on it today on how to fill it in. And I do want to stress that the deadline for Canada Post is 10 December. And you need this address, which is also on the website. So we're going to take a quick break and we'll be right back to you. Well, I'm back with you again, and we're going to do some letters. And I'm going to have some hints for you on how to make the letters as best they can so you get Santa's attention. One thing I like to do is I want to make sure that whenever I write to Santa or when I fill in my name or anything else, I do it nice and big. So if I was to say my name is John, I make it nice and big. Now, I like doing things in color. If you are a little bit older and you know cursive, you can certainly do it in cursive, and there's nothing wrong with that. I'm going to change to a different pencil now because I use pencil a lot. If you want to just do big letters, you certainly can do that as well. So when you see the letter and you say, my name is John, you can fill it in. One thing I also like to do is I like to use gold. So I would do Sarah in gold. There. I'm sure that would get Santa's attention if he read Sarah's name in gold. Now, if you're a little bit older and you've used various other writing instruments before, you can do it as well. I do a lot of calligraphy. So doing it in calligraphy, it makes it look a little bit different, but it's the same idea of the letters. One thing I find to a lot of beginners is make sure you write slow and think about what you're doing, and then it generally will turn out a lot better. I'm going to use a different felt calligraphy pen right now here, and this is one I like, and it is a little bit different. That's a bit of a different R. But again, if you just want to print it, you can. This is my red, which I really like red. Some people will get very fancy, and if you know how to do this, this is really real cursive. I like that. Now, one of the other tools I really like to use, and it's very simple to use, is you can just use a ballpoint pen. Here I'm just going to do Nigel's name in a nice blue sparkly jelly roll pen. Again, I can do it in big printing as well. And just some ideas for Santa, and this I'm going to do in gold. One thing I like to do when I do the word Santa is I like to make it a little bit interesting. Another way I like to make Santa a little bit more interesting is and make the A into a hat for Santa. I know Santa usually wears red, but today we're doing his hat in gold. I'm going to Père Noël. And the two little dots. And here again, where I like to add a hat there, and you can add Santa's beard. If there is any questions, let the museum know, and hopefully you have a good time filling out the letters. I'm just going to fill out my letter right now to Santa. This year I have been very nice. For Christmas I would like toys, books, games, and lots of other stuff, especially candy. There will be a special treat waiting for you when you visit me on Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas, love, and I hope you have a Merry Christmas and that you get everything that Santa brings you through your letters. Remember to go on the website to find out the address to mail your letters to Santa Claus, and the kind people at Canada Post will do their best to get the letters delivered to Santa in the North Pole. Merry Christmas.